mountain tested us today. It's easy to make a plan in the morning. It's harder to make it back to the fire at night. But we did. That's all that matters.
You know, people think I'm the monster out here, the one to be afraid of. But in a moment like that with the lion,
A mutual understanding. He let me pass, and I let him pass. That's the law here.
you think this is just for looks? Nope. A clean Bigfoot is a healthy Bigfoot. And a very, very happy one.
Take on me, take on me, take me.
Well, now, that's not a river stone.
Not human, and not from my people either. These carvings, they're older. Much older. I've walked these mountains my whole life. I know every rock, every tree. I know the stories of my people. This is not one of our stories. This is something else entirely.
So the question is, Huang, who else has been walking these woods?